This is Jake for Fanasis 4, and I'm going to be doing a review on the LEGO Space Police Hyper Speed Pursuit. Came with 3 minifigures, 456 pieces, ages 7 to 14, and set number 5973. Set to minifigures. Came with Space Police, we all know him. Scary face. So we all know him. Space Police, just the same, just a different head. 2 Skull Twins. They're awesome. This is rubber. The helmet is rubber, and they have 2-sided head. This is like he's mad. This is mad. This is happy. And when he's happy, he has 3 eyes. He's sad. Mad. He has 2 eyes. So it says a little symbol, octane, something. You can't see that, but whatever. There's 2 of them, so that's awesome. And came in a little box. Inside will be the gold, but the gold fell out. Put it in. Dang. Oh well. Hold on. See here, something watching SpongeBob. I don't watch it, but I'm not watching it right now. Well, I don't care about it. Alright. Okay, let's head to my favorite car. This car is awesome, but it has a lot of stickers on it, so but I really like it. And there's some 2 missiles on each side. Shoot out. Oh, that's cool. I miss monkeys. I'm playing. Alright, right here you get to put the box. Dang. This is hard, man. Like that. And it will fall out. 2 new Lego pieces and stickers. Sticker. A lot of stickers. Open it up. The Skull Twins. The Skull Twins. Or anyone you want. Just they're the same thing, so why would you bother? Take one. And he's like that. Put on. And see, there's number 3. Looks like the glass is broken. 3. Zombie. Spelled Z-U-M-B-I. I don't know why. And, it's really awesome. And there's like a red line. So that's a really nice detail. Alright, let's go this. The space car. So, this really nice car. You can open that, but be careful. See? There. See? It won't come off. It won't break. You take the space police screw. Okay. Like that. You can put his visor down like that. And just place him like that. Dang, I don't want him to hold that because it's going to take a long time. Some new pieces to the set for me. So look, there's blue, red, so that's nice to me. Here's the where they put the other Skull Twin. And then like that. Like this. So he's in there. And then take the gangster car, whatever. And you pretend you're just playing around. You have the missiles. Hold on. I think you can see that, like that. And you shoot it. And this breaks off. And that's really awesome. And he's gonna jump out and goes in the car. So that's a nice detail. And a lot of red, blue, red, blue, black. Right, some nice engines right there. Right there, like that. And And this is how it looks like from the bottom. And this is how it looks like from the bottom. From this. So, alright, to finish this review, I'm gonna get the box. This box. It's just like big as this. Let me see which one is bigger. We see about same size. Same thing, same size. It's really nice. Oh, same size. And minifigures. Shows you some details about it. How they work that. And right here it says Hyper Speed Pursuit. Lego sign. There's some information about Skulltones. And Skull. Alright. And this set came to me. I think I got it at Toys R Us. My uncle got it for my birthday. Thank you for shopping at Toys R Us here. And for my next review, I'm going to be doing a review on that. So, alright, thanks for watching.